Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for businesses looking to expand their software development teams: the importance of setting realistic expectations when hiring nearshore software engineers from Latin America. As the global tech industry continues to thrive, many companies are turning to remote talent, and understanding how to manage expectations is critical to a successful partnership. So, let's jump right in. Understanding the nearshore advantage. Hiring software engineers from Latin America offers numerous benefits, including cultural proximity, similar time zones, and cost-effectiveness. Companies can tap into a pool of highly skilled professionals while minimizing operational challenges. However, it's crucial to remember that even though the advantages are significant, there are still considerations to consider. The pitfalls of unrealistic expectations. Now, here's where things get interesting. Unrealistic expectations can lead to disappointment and hinder the overall success of your nearshore development team. One common mistake is underestimating the time zone differences. While nearshore teams share similar working hours, variations still need to be managed effectively. Another pitfall is assuming that language and communication will be flawless. While many software engineers from Latin America are proficient in English, clear communication may still require some effort due to potential language nuances. Delivering realistic project timelines. When it comes to project timelines, setting realistic goals is essential. Avoid the trap of expecting lightning-fast results. While nearshore teams are efficient, every project requires due diligence. Collaborate closely with your nearshore engineers to establish a well-structured project plan that considers potential challenges and allows for a comfortable pace of work. Cultural understanding and team dynamics. Cultural differences can impact team dynamics and project outcomes. Embrace the diversity that comes with a nearshore team, but be prepared to invest time in building a cohesive and productive unit. Understand that varying cultural norms may influence work styles and approaches. Adaptability and open-mindedness are crucial to making these differences work in your favor. Now that we've discussed the significance of setting realistic expectations, let me introduce you to an incredible tool to help you seamlessly navigate the nearshore IT staff augmentation process. It's called TeamStation, a cutting-edge platform that harnesses the power of human-centered AI. TeamStation offers a comprehensive solution for automating how nearshore teams are built and managed for optimal delivery. From candidate selection to project management, the platform streamlines the entire process. By incorporating AI-driven insights, TeamStation helps you make informed decisions, select suitable candidates, and manage projects efficiently. This innovative approach ensures a harmonious blend of human expertise and AI assistance. Setting realistic expectations when hiring nearshore software engineers from Latin America is the cornerstone of a successful collaboration. Remember, it's about embracing the advantages, managing challenges, and leveraging tools like TeamStation to enhance your journey. Don't forget to book a demo today and see the power of TeamStation at the link in the description. Until next time, keep pushing the needle forward.